Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a really rainy, dreary Monday here in Pekin. Anyway, just got a new delivery from eBay, so that's going to perk things up, I hope. This is a Marx 1998. I found this on eBay for $15.50. And judging by the photos, it's actually in really decent condition. So let's get this box open and see what kind of shape this is actually in. And of course, will it run? You never know buying anything from eBay from a description and some photographs. Alright, there's the locomotive. Get this out of the way. Got a pile of boxes in here. Alright, let's see what we have. Well, it's wrapped fairly well, no doubt about that. Wow. Alright, there's the locomotive. Oh dear. Just a minute, I'll pull the camera off the tripod. Let's get a look at this thing real quick. Motor turns really easy. Has the front truck, has the rear truck, has both couplers. No apparent damage to it at all. Alright, let me grab the camera off the tripod. Here we go. Alright, there it is, $15.50. Now you see these things selling for 50, 60 bucks. Anyway, I saw this and I was high bidder on it. As you can see, it is in pretty decent condition. Like I said, it is complete, front truck, front rear couplers. Doesn't appear to be damaged in any way. It is complete, no broken railings. Actually a fairly decent looking locomotive. So, not much I can do to this one except to add 1 drop of oil to the gearing, as I can't reach the armature. So just 1 drop of, 2 drops of oil actually on the gearing. So the armature is way up there. There's no way to get to it. So let's put this on rail 1 and see if it will run. All right, we're on the rail, I think. All right, let's see what happens. Power is on. Let's see if it'll run. Wow, look at that. It's dirty, no doubt. But it is running. Headlights out. It's been a while since it's been run, there's no doubt. You can see the sparking on the wheels. That's always indicative of dirty brushes. I call that brush feedback. Because that's about the only thing that will make the wheels spark. Alright, I've got a Marx Consist on rail 1. Let's take this around and see. Oh, I need a transition car. I forgot. It is tilt couplers. That presents a problem. I don't have one handy. Anyway, I will go ahead and run it, I think. It definitely needs to be lubricated. There's no doubt about that. That armature is really dry. I can tell that just by the sound of the motor. Alright, so a Marx 1998 in really, really decent condition. So I got to pull the motor out, lubricate it, and I've got to replace the headlight. But as you can see, there is no damage to this at all. it's actually in really, really decent condition, as you can no doubt tell. Front truck, rear truck, and of course the front and rear couplers. This is really hanging up for some reason. And this entire thing needs to be lubricated. Now I've got to lubricate that armature. Get this focused. There we go. But as you can see, it's in really decent shape. There's no doubt about that. So from here, I will just pull it apart, get some lubrication in it, and this is going to be a really decent addition. Come on, focus. To the collection. Yeah, it's definitely dry. So I'll just throw an adapter on that tilt coupler, and I'll get this lubricated, cleaned up a bit. I'll put another video up of it running around the rail. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing on this Marx 1998, $15.50 on eBay. Really decent condition, no damage at all. It's dirty, it needs to be cleaned, and it really needs to be lubricated. Other than that, it appears to be in really, really first-rate condition. So anyway, just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.